Let's make a stromboli. Pizza dough, some ham, cheese, some pickles. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Cut an onion up. Sopressata. Ham. Got our oven preheating at 450. Steel's inside. This is a pizza dough. It's about 240 grams. Plop that down on the oil side. I'm gonna stretch this out just like I would a pizza, except I'm gonna try to make it more oval. And if it gets stuck like this, just more flour. Goes down. You can see I'm stretching this out just like more of an oval size. I'm gonna roll it up like a cigar when it's all said and done. It's probably about 12 inches by, I don't know, 6 inches. It's a pretty good rectangle. Old style mustard. It's really got some nice texture to it. So I just paint my canvas, which is my 3-day pizza dough. It's got a lot of mustard on it. This is gonna be like a ham and cheese sandwich. Boom, boom. 4 is nice. Got some sopressata. Put this right on top. Let's do some onions. And now we're gonna grab some pickles, just like when you were a kid. Ham and cheese sandwich. This is a fontina. To be really nice. Gonna load this puppy up with as much cheese we can get on here. Boom. And roll. Tight. So now I'm gonna pinch these edges. You can see, just literally just pinching them. Seam side goes right down onto the parchment paper. We can give it some air pockets, if you like. Boom. And take just a little bit of olive oil, sprinkle some on top. And this will just help it brown nicely. I like parchment paper because I can launch it a lot easier. So what I'll do is I got my steel preheating for an hour, my baking steel in the bottom rack here. And I can just help that punch that on there. My parchment paper, in case this thing leaks, is gonna protect that steel a little bit. We'll bake this for maybe about 12 or 15 minutes. I'm gonna put it on 12 minutes first. We'll take a peek and take it from there. Still needs a few minutes. You can see it's starting to bleed a little bit, which is why we love parchment paper. So using our fingertips, slide that thing on there. Look at that. See that stromboli right there. That crust. See that inside. Ready to eat and devour.